Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through smart money habits and investing. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, of seeing income flow into your account without clocking in at work, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful wealth building strategies ever created: passive income through dividend investing. This is not hype. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building real, sustainable, long-term wealth by owning shares of companies that pay you to hold them. And the best part? Once you set up your system, the money keeps coming whether you're working, traveling, or simply enjoying life. Stick with me, because in this video we'll break down everything you need to know about dividend investing, what it is and why it's so powerful, the steps to get started from scratch, the best strategies for building a dividend portfolio, how to reinvest dividends to accelerate growth, real-life examples of how dividends can create financial freedom, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes that keep people stuck. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand dividend investing, you'll have a blueprint for using it to build passive income streams that can last for the rest of your life. Why dividend investing matters. Before we dive into the mechanics, let's talk about why dividend investing is so important. When most people think of wealth, they think of a big paycheck. But here's the truth: your job will never make you rich. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how much your money earns for you. That's where dividends come in. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, usually every quarter. It's your share of the profits simply because you own a piece of the company. Think of it like this: when you buy dividend-paying stocks, you're planting money trees. Every quarter, those trees drop cash into your account. The more trees you plant, the more fruit you harvest. And if you keep reinvesting those dividends, you're planting even more trees, creating an ever-growing forest of income. Step 1. Understand how dividends work. Let's start simple. A dividend is a portion of a company's earnings paid to shareholders. Not all companies pay dividends, but many established, profitable companies do. Example: Coca-Cola. For decades, Coca-Cola has paid shareholders a quarterly dividend. If you own 100 shares, and the dividend is 46 cents per share per quarter, you'll receive $46 every quarter. That's $184 a year just for holding shares. Now, $184 may not sound life-changing. But scale it up: 1,000 shares equals $1,840 a year. 10,000 shares equals $18,400 a year. And that's from one company. Add multiple companies, and suddenly you have thousands, or tens of thousands, of dollars flowing in every year. Step 2. Start with a strong foundation. Before you begin investing in dividends, you need a strong financial base. That means paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards. Building an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Creating a budget so you can consistently invest. Dividend investing is powerful, but it works best when you have stability in your financial life. Step 3. Choose the right brokerage. To invest in dividend stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. Look for low fees, access to dividend reinvestment programs, DRIPs, easy-to-use platforms. Examples: Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and others. Your brokerage is simply the tool. The real power comes from your strategy. Step 4. Pick the right dividend stocks. Not all dividend stocks are equal. Some are safe and consistent. Others are risky and unsustainable. Look for companies with a long history of paying and increasing dividends, dividend aristocrats. Strong financials and steady cash flow. Industries that are stable: consumer staples, utilities, healthcare. Example: companies like Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and PepsiCo have decades-long histories of paying and raising dividends. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification reduces risk. You can diversify by industry: consumer goods, tech, energy, healthcare. Geography: US, international. Asset type: stocks, ETFs, REITs. Example: you might own a mix of Coca-Cola, consumer, Johnson Healthcare, Realty Income, real estate, and Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, broad diversification. Step 6. Reinvest your dividends. Here's where the magic happens: reinvesting dividends. Instead of cashing out, use dividends to buy more shares. More shares equals bigger dividends. Bigger dividends equals more shares. This is the snowball effect of compounding. Example: If you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks paying 4%, that's $400 in the first year. Reinvest it, and next year you earn dividends on $10,400. Over decades, this snowball turns into a massive income stream. Step 7. Automate your investing. Set up automatic contributions. Even $200 per month adds up. The key is consistency. Over time, those regular investments, combined with reinvested dividends, create unstoppable momentum. Step 8. Track your progress. Use tools like Personal Capital, Simply Safe Dividend spreadsheets. Track your monthly and annual dividend income. Celebrate milestones like your first $100 per month, then $500 per month, then $1,000 per month. Step 9. Avoid dividend traps. Not all high yields are safe. A company paying a 10% dividend may not be sustainable. Look for payout ratios below 70%. Consistent cash flow. History of dividend growth. A dividend cut can destroy both your income and your stock price. Step 10. Think long-term. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building wealth steadily over decades. Real-life example. An investor who started with $5,000 in dividend stocks in the 1990s, reinvested consistently, and added monthly contributions can now be living on $3,000, $5,000 per month in dividend income. It takes patience, discipline, and consistency, but the rewards are worth it. From paycheck to freedom. Dividends provide a stable and reliable income stream, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. Picture waking up each day without worrying about your next paycheck. Instead of working tirelessly for money, your money works for you, creating a cycle of ease and comfort. This is the essence of financial freedom achieved through strategic investing. It's not just a dream, it can be your reality. In this journey towards financial independence, dividend investing stands out as a beacon of hope. By leveraging the power of passive income, you can shift your mindset from surviving to thriving. Embrace this transformative approach, and let your investments pave the way to a life of freedom and fulfillment. Final thoughts. Imagine waking up each day without worrying about your financial situation, where your money works for you while you enjoy life's moments. You can travel, pursue passions, or spend time with loved ones, freedom that traditional jobs seldom provide. With disciplined investing, your small beginnings can transform into a robust portfolio that supports your dreams. Every dollar you invest today is a seed planted for a future harvest. Embrace the journey. It's not just about accumulating wealth but also about cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. It's these choices that shape your life, steering you toward a path of independence. So, take that first step. The future is waiting for you. Imagine starting with just a modest amount, committing to invest consistently. Picture the growth of your investments over time, compounding like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum as it progresses. Sure, there will be moments of uncertainty and market fluctuations, but remain focused on your long-term goals. By embracing this strategy, you anchor yourself to a future where passive income provides you with unparalleled freedom and security, allowing choices that elevate your quality of life, and aligning your finances with your dreams. Ultimately, the journey to financial freedom through dividend investing is an empowering one, allowing you to build a life where your money works tirelessly for you. By nurturing this practice with patience and dedication, you'll reap the rewards of your hard work, unlocking a lifestyle filled with opportunities and fulfillment. If this video inspired you to take action, make sure you subscribe to Smart. Our mission is to help you achieve financial freedom with smart money habits and investing strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could change your financial future. Remember, financial independence isn't a dream, it's a decision. Make the choice today to start building your dividend income stream, and your future self will thank you.